In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to Google Sheets fixed today. Here, let's begin. First, make sure your Excel file is saved on your computer. If you already have the file downloaded and saved locally, you can skip this step. If you still need to save it, open the Excel file, click File in the top left corner, and then select Save As. Next, click Browse and choose a folder where you want to save the file. Select a location that's easy to find later, then complete the save process. Once your Excel file is ready, open Google Sheets in your web browser. In Google Sheets, click File from the top menu, then select Import. If your Excel file is already stored in Google Drive, you can select it directly from your Drive files. However, if the file is saved on your computer, click the Upload tab. Next, browse to the folder where your Excel file is stored, select the file, and then click Open. Google Sheets will upload the file and display several import options. If you want the Excel file to be converted into a brand new Google Sheets document, choose Create New Spreadsheet. Alternatively, if you want to replace the contents of the current spreadsheet with the Excel file, choose Replace Spreadsheet. After selecting your preferred option, click Import Data. Google Sheets will begin converting and importing the Excel file into a Google Sheets format. Wait until you see the Success File Imported message on the screen. If the spreadsheet doesn't open automatically, click Open Now to view the converted file. Your Excel workbook has now been successfully converted into a Google Sheets document, and you can continue editing it directly in Google Sheets. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.